4 in the morning, tent's leaking. Look at it, man.
How's it going, everybody? Coming out to a beautiful little woodland today. Rufus is already there, so I just gotta do a little search, see if we can find him. Gonna go quite lightweight today. Got the umbrella as well. It's supposed to lash it down. I could just sit under this, and that was my thoughts. Tally ho, what? There he is. The red top gives him away. Freak is up already. Yeah. Nice little spot, man. I'll go down this end, look. Who's that birthday present, huh?
Birthday present. I was 27th.
Like that?
Huh?
Like,
Oh yeah, like the
yeah.
I gotta give a shout out for that, right?
What's the shout out to?
Twin Peaks, huh?
Twin Peaks for you under. We got the Tiger Paws light today. I've seam sealed it. I hope I've done a good job.
How much shape that thing, isn't it? Have you heard that Black Mountain Adventures for sale it is? 100 quid.
200 quid. I still haven't how much it for tent, mate.
Oh no,
Chopping and changing. I got different ones all the time, huh?
what's thin material? That's pretty light, that is, it? 15D, is it?
Perfect, is it?
Yes, I like that. Can't see that leaking into it, yeah.
Got your rear end exposed.
Bit of ventilation, all tricks of the trade, that is, by.
Is it gonna leak? That's the question.
Well, just pick it up.
Seam seal doesn't seem perfect, does it?
No,
Far from it.
it does really look like it's all falling off.
I did hear, like, the way tents used to be made, you didn't have seam sealed. Then you just wait for the cotton to expand a bit after a couple of soak-ins. That's my one luxury today, a little stool. I'm sitting on a stool with the umbrella over my head now.
What, golfing one, huh?
Big sleeping bag is out.
That's golfing one, huh?
Yeah. Shout out to Troopers, to be honest.
Nice scout there, mate.
That was spicy, that was on that.
I'd lovely on mine, I'd definitely have that again.
Burned in the morning, did it?
Yeah. Thermalite, the after. Seat for summer.
Oh, a little fleece thing, eh?
Yeah, a little line up. Because I use it
That's
well.
not fleece, is it? Or is it?
Yeah, it's like a thick cotton. Cotton, something or should be warm.
Have a little look about. A beautiful little spot here. Tucked away. On the coffee tonight because I went to a bit of a Halloween party at the neighbour's house. Shout out to the neighbours. Yeah, it was a good laugh. I think we were in there till almost 1 in the morning. So this night, it's only a cheap one. It's the first one I bought way back when I was about 16, I think. The handle is really small on it. But, you know, I was a bit smaller there myself, so it was alright. Nieto, handcrafted in Spain. This is what I got for tonight. Spicy chili and a peanut rice. And proper coffees. Pure Colombian coffee. And this is my spoke because I couldn't find my titanium one. So I've got the sonic screwdriver from Doctor Who. Dynamite silicone candies going on.
Lovely, oh mate. Oh yeah. It's worth the pain the next day, like.
Legit.
I call him, that's all I know.
Yeah.
Go and crash his car or something, didn't he?
Oh yeah, I haven't watched that. Don't know what. Don't wrap
I seen a bit of it, like I was in a bit of a rush, like. Oh, look out, look out.
No.
Oh, look out. The umbrella's going.
Oh, is it? Ah. That's why it's raining. That didn't last long, did it?
Cracking little spot, this is not sharp, mate.
Yeah, it's alright, isn't it?
I think it's going to be the new go-to winter spot, I think.
Nobody can suss out where it is.
Lucky!
Lucky son!
Lucky! Mush!
I don't know. I did film a bit of the walk today, mind. Someone might work it out. Droof sus.
Another usage for the sleeping bag liner.
That'll keep your mat tidy as well, won't it? Especially if you're using a quilt.
Yeah, it's nicer feeling as well, you know?
Yeah.
Like I said, 0 degrees this mat goes down to before you start feeling the cold.
Yeah.
So try that on and out, see if it makes a difference. Like.
Ideal with a quilt, I think.
Yeah, with a quilt on top of that, isn't it?
Yeah.
That
was the setup in the Freak tonight, Dan.
So the pillow's in there, is it? Ah, that's tidy, isn't it?
Nice. Plenty of space in there as well.
Oh yeah, it's like...
Oh, that dog's little bed. Ah.
Quilt. Double pillow. Nice. Yeah, you got loads of room in the porches, haven't you? My setup. So a bit more compact in here. Room for a rucksack in the porch though. I got a nice fluffy down sleeping bag. Couple of pillows. I'm just going with a simple airbed. And a mat underneath to stop the punches. Nice and cosy in here. Just right. Soba noodles and chicken. Love them noodles,
Nice,
don't you?
don't drink them bad, eh, that?
That does look nice and fresh. Straight out the stream though, was.
I've not even felt that.
Finished noodles. Looks like you've added loads of sauce, doesn't it? That's just what comes with
Yeah,
it.
just what comes with it, that is. Covers everything.
Looks good. Next on the menu. This has been on a few camps with me now, look at. It's looking a bit rough. I've carried this about 50 miles. You've got to eat here at some point, don't you? There's always like a better option.
There you are.
Wow. Oh, nice one. Oh, cheers, man. Shout out to Ryan in the Wild. Little channel for you to check out. Shout out to my first patron, Black Mountain Adventures. I've ended up back under the umbrella again. Rain is coming down now. Ah, it sounds nice out here though. Have a look at this, man.
Huh?
Under my umbrella with the light.
Start fisherman over here, like.
Ah. There is nothing better than cutching up in the tent. I don't care what you say. Love a little candle in the porch as well. Just gotta make sure I blow it out before bed. Rain has started pitter-pattering on the tent. See how good my seam sealing is now. It's supposed to get really heavy through the night. 2 o'clock in the morning, like it's really kicking in. So we'll see now. It's only water, isn't it? It's not going to be as bad as last week because I know I got high above this little stream. It's not going to start flooding in. And I've got the inner tent.
4 in the morning. Tents leaking. Soaking. I woke up, I can feel little drips on my head. It's not too much, but it's coming through. Jesus. Do you hear that? It sounds like someone just smashed in the river. Tree or something. I'm trying to work out where it's coming from. I can feel my face getting wet. It must be through this vent, yeah. I don't know. I find stuff on my face all the time. Oh God. Look at it, man. I think it's come straight through the material, isn't it? There's loads of it coming in. Right, there's not a whole lot I can do here. It's 4:30 in the morning. It's too early to get up. It just feels like a fine sort of mist coming through. So I'm just gonna ride it out. I'm not getting soaked. There's just a lot of it coming through, like. Just get my head down the sleeping bag and hope I don't wake up to any big puddles. Survived the night. Rain's back in again now. Everything in the tent is just damp. I didn't get soaked. It was more like a drizzle. It's come straight through the material. It wasn't the seams. So I'm going to paint this with Fab-Sil when I get home. Look at everything in the porch is just sodden. Weird. There's his tent. You can see how wet it's been in the night. One thing I do like about this one, you could sit in the rain with the door wide open. It's in that cloud peak. You've got to keep the door closed as well. It comes in here now, like. It's going to be a wet one today. We stood in the rain for, Tice? That face. Now it's coming down. That's the only thing, we've got to walk back in it. I don't mind it when it's that, that's fine. A nice cup of coffee now and a porridge. I'll be sorted. Right, we're off. Lovely little spot. Can you imagine this now, covered in snow? We got to come back here for a snow camp, that'd be amazing. This could be the new go-to spot, I think. Room for, yeah, maybe 4 or 5 tents. That's how much he's taking care of that tent. He's washing his pegs. Fair play. Right, catch you again. Another camp out adventure.